Hello, I'm Nate. Today I would like to show you our smart fridge vending machine in the field. They are put in a 24/7 unmanned supermarket. Let's go and see how it works. 22 smart fridge vending machine in the shop. I will show you what kind of products are available here. There are beverage, cup noodle, and yogurt, fresh vegetable, frozen dishes, ice cream, frozen meat, egg, soy sauce, salt, and daily necessaries. There are totally more than 300 SKU available in the shop. It's just like a normal supermarket. But compared to other unmanned supermarkets, which full of vending machines, there are a lot more. I'll show you the shopping flow. Now I want to buy an ice cream. Here we can see the price tag is 3.5 RMB per piece. And the QR code. Now the door can be opened. Grab an ice cream, close the door. Money will be directly deducted. From overseas market, we can use car reader from this vending machine, tap the card, then open the door. I want to buy a potato here. Here the price tag is showing 1.8 RMB per 500 gram. Here I go. Open the fridge. We buy a bag of potato. The amount will be deducted from our account. It's 700 grams, this bag. So totally 2.68 RMB is deducted from our account. Some advantage of the smart fridge vending machine compared to the spiral machine. No limiting of the product dimension, package, sell in the smart fridge. Secondly is that we can select the product to be sold by piece or sold by weight. Standard product like can, we can set 15 RMB per piece. On the vegetable, we can set 4.8 RMB per 500 gram. It is sold by weight. The third advantage is that for the smart fridge like this, the machine cost is even lower compared to the spiral machine, which means it is less investment, but the experience is better. Because the smart fridge is grab and go, so there is no jumping. We just open the door and grab it. So it is very suitable to sell some fan dry product. All the smart fridge vending machine are connected to the internet, so we are able to see the real-time sales data and remote change price of the machines and remote control the machine. If you are interested in smart fridge vending machine, please contact us for more information.